There are times we will need to analyze the model to find out specific dimensions. Measure is located on the Inspect toolbar, and it lets you analyze the model for position, size, and distance. Select the Measure icon off the Inspect toolbar. The selection filter has options to select from a face, edge, vertex, a body, or a component. You can also set the precision of the resolution that Fusion will display. 3 places will be fine for this lesson. We will be analyzing points, distances, and sizes of the model features. Click any point to find an XYZ position. Click another point and you'll get the distance between those 2 points. Click a third point and you'll get the angle between those 3 points. Click a fourth point and the selection starts over again. Use the Restart Selection arrow to clear your selections. Click a circular edge and it will report the radius, diameter, segment length, and center position in X, Y, and Z. If I click on this other circular edge, it will report that same information for the second arc. Additionally, it will give us the distance between centers and the distance to the closest point. I'll clear that. If I click on the circular edge for this open pocket and this line on the rib, I get the info for the arc, the length of the line, and the shortest distance between them. I'll clear that. XYZ delta is a handy way to find the 3-axis distance between 2 points or 2 centers. Click on this upper circular edge and then select the lower hole on the other end. Now you'll see an option for the XYZ delta. Enable that to see the XYZ difference between those 2 centers. I should also mention that some edges will be spline curves and not arcs, so there won't be any center position or radius to report. We don't have any splines on this part to demonstrate. But it's not all about points and edges. Clear any active results and select a face. These results will vary depend on the construction of the model. This selection reports a radius, diameter, the area of the face, and the length of the outer loop on the edge. Freeform surfaces may not report a radius or a diameter. But this is exactly what we need right now. We need to find out the size of these fillets so we can select a tool that fits. Select any of these fillets inside the pockets. Be sure you're picking the face and not selecting an edge or a point. I'm seeing a radius of 0.150 and 0.182. So we will probably use a 1/4-inch end mill to machine those. How about the holes? Picking one of the holes reports the diameter, so now we know that we need a 1/8 inch drill. Let's close Measure. Measure is a very handy feature that reports a lot of valuable information. But let me show you something even easier. If we just need basic information quickly, simply click on the object of interest. Let's select one of those inside pocket fillets again. If you look in the lower right corner of the graphics window, you'll see it reports the radius of that circular face. Same with the holes. Now pick this line on the rib. It reports the length. Hold Shift and pick the line on the other side of the rib, and it reports the distance between them. Quick and handy to know. In this lesson, we learned about the measure function, how to find a point, length, distance, radius, diameter, delta XYZ, and the area of a face.